Agriculture is a primary activity which is an old age economic activity. 50% of the persons are engaged in agricultural activity. Two-thirds of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. So, from where the word comes from? The word agriculture is derived from Latin word ager or agri means soil and culture meaning cultivation. So collectively we are rearing the crop, we are practicing the agriculture which is most important old age economic activity. Types of farming. Broadly, we are dividing farming into two categories: subsistence farming and commercial farming. In subsistence farming, again we are dividing intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming. In intensive subsistence farming, plot size are small and it is human labor are used. In primitive subsistence farming, again we are dividing between shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture. While in nomadic herding, basically the people are moving from one place to another place and doing hunting. In commercial farming, basically it is a type of farming in which one type of crop, one type of plant is grown over large area. In this farming, a lot of machines and high yielding variety of plants are used. There are many types of crops are grown all over the world. The main crops are grown all over the world are rice. Rice is an important staple food, and the major areas are China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka. Wheat. Wheat is the second important crop which is grown over USA, Canada, Russia, India and etc. Millets. Millets, which includes jowar, bajra and ragi, are grown in India, Nigeria, China, etc. And maize. Maize is also important crop which is used as food and fodder, grown in North America, Brazil, China. Cotton is important for making clothes and they are grown in China, USA, India. Jute, which is also known as golden crop, grown in India, Bangladesh, they are leading producers. Coffee, they are grown in Brazil, Colombia, India. In tea, China, India and Sri Lanka are important producers.